All right, guys, if you are looking for a smaller unit that does the job, but it's super, super cute, I might have the one for you. It is a pre-owned unit, and I'm excited to show you, especially because of the price. So if you have questions, feel free to reach out. Of course, the information is below in the description, so if you want to click on the link and go see this one. Also, if you do want any information, my name is Rachel, and you can call, text, email. You can come up here and see me because I do work up here. But let's go from the outside in, and you guys let me know. Let's go. It's a Wildwood X-Lite. It is a 2012 model 18BHXL. And honestly, it is the cutest thing. I absolutely love it. So that is going to be your window. Of course, you can block it. And then you do have your long awning. It is a tankless on-demand as well. But let's take a look inside. So cute. Okay, so you've got a couch back here, which I know that it can turn into a bed as well. And then you do have the dinette that also turns into a bed. You got beautiful windows, and you got a side table right there with cubbies. And then you do have storage up above as well. Right here, we've got our kitchen with a nice big sink. You got a 3-burner, and you got your microwave right above there, but you got lots of little storage right here and then right here. You got a nice size fridge right here as well. Plenty of space to do your thing. Love it. And then you do have another bed right here, nice and big, thick. And then you have a bunk up above as well. Some storage right there. You have your bathroom sink right here. So one of y'all can get ready while the other one maybe takes a shower. Very nice. Plenty of room to do your thing, and then, I mean, that's all that the bathroom should be for, so do your thing. And then I love the flooring because it's this like wood look. Still in great condition, absolutely beautiful. But I do want to know what you guys think. So call, text, email if you want any other information. I think this one's set at $9,995, I think. I mean, excellent price, and this is the cutest unit. So again, call, text, email. But until next time, guys.